Hello friends, in this session of application of derivatives, we will see exercise 6.1 question 10 onward solution. So question 10 is that a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. So like this way one ladder is there. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. And so from the here the bottom is pulled, that is 2 centimeter per second is given. How fast is height? So height will, as we put the ladder from here, the height will come down. So how fast this height will decrease, that we have to find out. On the wall, when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away, the distance is given 4 meter away. So according given situation, suppose we take one triangle, this 5 centimeter, height of ladder x centimeter and distance of foot we take y centimeter. So we can write height of ladder equals to x meter or x centimeter and meter, and the distance of foot of ladder we take y meter. Then we know that the ladder gives the right angle triangle, and so we have the function x square plus y square equals to 5 square. Now also it is given that from here we pull the ladder foot, that rate is given, means dy by dt is given 2 centimeter per second. Then the rate of the height coming down we have to find out. So dx by dt we have to calculate. So now we differentiate with respect to time this function. Then we have 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equals to 0 as 5 is constant. And so we can write that dx by dt equals to minus y by x dy by dt. Now also we are given y equals to 4 centimeter. So by Pythagoras we can calculate x square equals to 5 square minus y square. So 25 minus 16, which is 9. So height cannot be negative, so we take positive value. And so minus 4 by 3 into dy by dt value 2. So it is minus 8 by 3. So minus sign depicts the decreasing order, and so the dx by dt value will be 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3, which represents that height is decreasing at the 8 by 3 centimeter per second. We are given the question, a particle moves along the curve 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Means dy by dx value is given 8 and the function is given 6y equals to 3x cube plus 2. So we differentiate with respect to x, then 6 times dy by dx equals to, only x cube is there, x cube plus 2. So it will be 3x square. And so 3 2s are 6. And so 2 into dy by dx value 8 we keep, then x square. And so x square equals to 16. So x equals to plus or minus 4. So x equals to 4 then y equals to 4 cube 64 plus 2 by 6, which is 66 by 6 11, and x equals to minus 4, then y equals to minus 64 plus 2 by 6, which is minus 62 by 6, so minus 31 by 3. And so we have two value points are 4 11 and minus 4 31 by 3, minus 31 by 3. Question 12, we have the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 cm per second. Then at what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 cm? So the radius increasing rate is given, means dr by dt is given, that is 1 by 2 cm per second. And the volume increasing rate we have to find out, means dv by dt we have to calculate. Now we calculate the air bubble is the spherical, and so volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So its differentiation with respect to r, we take time we take t, then dv by dt is equals to 4 by 3 pi 3 r square dr by dt. So here 3 cancel, and so we have dv by dt value 4 by 3 pi r, 3 cancel, so 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now here radius is given 1 centimeter, and so it is 4 pi into 1 square, and dr by dt is given 1 by 2, so 2 2s are, and so 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Now question 13, we have a balloon which is always remains spherical, has a variable diameter 3 by 2 2x plus 1. So diameter is given 3 by 2 2x plus 1, and so radius equals to diameter by 2, so it will be by 2 here will come, then it will be 3 by 4 2x plus 1. Now find the rate of change its volume with respect to x. So first we will find out radius changing rate with respect to x, then dr by dx equals to 3 by 4, and 2x differentiation is 2, so 2 2s are cancelled, and so it is 3 by 2. Now we know that the volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and so it will be dv by dx 4 by 3 pi r cube is the 3 r square dr by dx. So 3 3 cancel, so 4 pi r square means 3 by 4 2x plus 1 square, so 3 square 9 by 16 2x plus 1 square, and dr by dx value is the 3 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, and 9 3s are 27, so it is 27 by 8 pi 2x plus 1 whole square is the volume changing rate with respect to x. Question 14, we have sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cm cube second, means volume changing rate is given 12 cm cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 cm? So the situation is like this way. A cylindrical pipe is there, through it the sand is fall and the cone is formed. Then this height is increasing, and height and base radius relation is given, that height is always 1/6 of the radius, so h equals to r by 6, and so r equals to 6h. Also it is given dv by dt it is given 12 centimeter cube per second. So now here volume of cone we take V 1 by 3 pi r square h, and so r value we keep 6h, then V equals to 1 by 3 pi 36 h square into h, which will be h cube, and so 3 12s are, so V equals to 12 pi h cube. Now with respect to time we take the differentiation, then dv by dt equals to 36 pi h square now h is given 4 and here dh by dt. So dh by dt dv by dt 12 equals to 36 into pi into h square, that is the 4 square 16 into dh by dt, and so dh by dt we will have 12 upon 36 into pi into 16, so 12 3s are, and so it will be 1 by 48 pi. Question 15, we have the total cost function in the x in rupees associated with production x units is given by cx equals to 0.07 x cube minus 0.03 x square plus 15x plus 4000, and find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. Marginal cost means c variation with respect to x we have to calculate, and so here cx is given 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. So dc by dx we calculate, then we get 7 by 1000 into 3x square minus 3 by 1000 into 2x plus 15. So x value is given 17, that we submit, and 7 into 3 into 17 square 289 by 1000 minus 3 into 2 into 17 by 1000 plus 15. So 21 into 289 will give us 6069 by 1000 means 6.069. Here minus 3 to the 6, 17 is 102, so 0.102 plus 15, and so here minus will be 7, 6, 9, 5.967 plus 15, which will give answer 20.967, and so the marginal cost will be 20.967. 16th question, we have the total revenue in the rupees received for the sales of x units are given by Rx equals to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. If revenue is 7, then find the dr by dx. So dr by dx we need to calculate. So revenue function with respect to x is given 13x square plus 26x plus 15. So standing rate with respect to x we can calculate by differentiation, 13 into 2x plus 26, and so 13 we take 13 to the 26 we take out common, and x plus 1 Now x value is given 7. So 26 into 7 plus 1, and so 26 into 8, which is 208. Now 17th question is there, the rate of change of area of circle. So dA by dr we have to calculate with respect to its radius, and r equals to 6. So we know that a equals to pi r square, and so dA by dr equals to 2 pi r, and so r value is submit, then 2 pi into 6, so it is 12 pi centimeter square. Now 18th question is that the total revenue in rupees is given by Rx equals to 3x square plus 36x plus 5, and if x equals to 15, then find the revenue. So revenue is dr by dx. So with respect to x we take differentiation, 6x square plus 6x only, and so 6 is common, so x plus 30, x plus 6. So x value is given 15, so 6 into 15 plus 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. 21 6 are 126, and so 126 is the answer.